In the last part of our seminar, we're going to identify the exponential rate versus just applying it to a problem. So if we take a look at example 16, it says the table shows the population of deer in a forest from 2000 to 2010. If the number of deer is increasing at an exponential rate, identify the rate of increase and write the exponential equation for this situation. Well, it's going up, so we know we're going to have, if we use our formula first, let's talk about our formula. So we're going to say n equals the initial amount times 1 plus r raised to the t power. Well, we know in 2010 we had 264 deer. In 2000 we had 125 deer, and that'll be 1 plus r. We don't know the rate, but we know it took 10 years to do this, didn't it? So we divide both sides by 125. So then we get 264 divided by 125. That'll be 1 plus r raised to the 10th power. So then what I'll do is I'll take the 10th root of both sides. So we take the 10th root of 264 divided by 125. So let's clear that out. So I'm going to go with the 10th root. Guess you got to type that incorrect. We got to do that. Then, oops, I had my 1 there. I hit my root 1, which is in the second row, second column. Do you see that? And I'm going to take the 10th root of 264 divided by 125. I think I'll put that in parentheses. 264 divided by 125. I get 1.078. So 1 plus r equals 1.078. Or if you think r is 0.078, which means it's growing at 7.8% per year. Now we want to write the formula. So we're going to say n of t, let's write this as a function for the deer, is going to be the initial amount, which is 125, times 1.078 raised to the 10th power. Now we're going to use that formula to predict how many years it will take for the number of deer to reach 500. In other words, 500 equals 125 times 1.078 raised to the t power. I put 10 on the last one, didn't I? Sorry about that. I should have said t. Okay, let's do the algebra to solve that. Well, we'll divide both sides by 125. So 500 divided by 125, is that a nice number? Yeah, it's 4. So you get 4 equals 1.078 raised to the t power. Well, at this point, we want to solve that, don't we? So I think I'm going to take the log of both sides. So then we're going to get the log of 4 equals the log of 1.078 raised to the t power. So in other words, the log of 4 using our power of a log equals t times the log of 1.078. So t then is the log of 4 divided by the log of 1.078. We'll round that, so we'll use our calculator. The log is under your function. So log of, what did I say? 4 divided by the log of 1.078. And we're going to get about 18 and a half years, we'll say. So in 18 and a half years, you would get a population of 500 deer.